The system data for a surge model is located under the Settings tab. A reference to the system type, which is surge, and the flow units and pressure units is available. Click Edit System Data. In this menu, we have the system type selector. If you happen to be working with both KY pipe and surge models, double check that this system type is set to surge before running a surge analysis. Here you can select flow units. There are many options in both English and SI units, including the option to define units that don't appear in this list by selecting User. If you choose SI units, such as liters per second, you can further select between pressure units, here, metric pressure units, of kilopascals and bar. For water, or liquids that are mostly water like sewage, the Hazen-Williams friction equation is the best choice. For other liquids such as petroleum, select Darcy-Weisbach. Input the specific gravity and kinematic viscosity for that liquid. Kinematic viscosity is in units of feet squared per second or meters squared per second for SI units. The head loss factor is usually set to 0 or left blank. This factor is used as a way to define an overall loss across the whole piping system rather than attempt to define minor losses throughout. The defaults for the two accuracy limits here should be accepted. The same is true for length accuracy and time step factor. The default length accuracy when you're in English units is 10 feet, and for SI it's 3 meters. If you happen to have a model with very many short pipes, you may consider lowering this value. If you wish further explanation of these or other inputs, refer to this Help button. You can see many definitions here. Lastly, the default setting for cavitation head are shown here. These are the recommended settings. If vapor pressures occur during a surge analysis, a cavitation routine is initialized. The Use box ensures that this cavitation routine will be applied. The value in the cavitation head field is vapor pressure for the liquid in the model. If the cavitation head is left blank, vapor pressure for water is used, which is minus 10.1 meters or minus 33.1 feet. Lastly, this checkbox refers to a specialized option for proportional integral derivative controllers and should be normally left unchecked.